Hi, I'm Eric Hewko. Thank you for visiting my webpage concerning injuries as a result of semi-tractor trailer and truck accidents. As you know, in this state, we have a whole lot of commerce going up and down the interstates and turnpike of this state. Not a day goes by that you don't hear about a devastating or serious accident occurring on those highways. They happen with such frequency and such devastation that many of us, many of my friends and family, my father, for instance, and mother, refuse to drive on the interstate and turnpikes because of the fear of these tractor trailers and trucks. We rely upon these truck drivers to make sure the goods are delivered to our stores and hospitals and to our very homes. The problem comes in is when, in the interest of corporate profit or trying to get a load down to a specific location at a certain time, these trucks become missiles that cause injury and death to the rest of the population. What you need to realize is that when you've been involved in an accident with a truck, you need someone to represent you right away. One of the primary things we do with an accident such as a truck vehicle accident or a truck accident or even one involving a pedestrian is try to preserve evidence by taking photographs and other type of documentation of what happened at the scene. There'll be no doubt that the truck operator will blame you for causing the accident. But what we know when we represent you in these type of cases is there are records within the companies to really show what happened. Quite often it's driver fatigue. We can see that from the logs they're supposed to fill out for the state and federal government. A lot of times it's truck maintenance, where they have to maintain their trucks in accordance with federal law and state law. And it's supposed to keep records. What we found out, though, is that there are many occasions that though the records might at first blush look authentic, they really aren't. And how do we know that? Well, if we have the actual parts that are failing or the truck to examine, our experts can show us that the defects that probably caused the accident was a result of lack of maintenance. That's what we do. We hire the people that are necessary to bring your case to a proper, fair, just, and full conclusion. Now, during this representation, we'll also be monitoring your injuries. Sometimes the injuries result in death, and we'll walk through with your family the hiring, if you don't have one, an estate lawyer, and making sure all the proper claims are made. We're here to be on your side. We're here to help you. These are totally unexpected circumstances, but they change lives. The injuries that are caused are very, very serious. Spinal cord injuries. They are injuries involving neck and back that may require even surgery. That you're getting shooting pains and tingling into your feet and hands. Those are the serious injuries that we represent people on. So do this. If what I've described to you describes a situation occurring in your household or you personally, call me now, Eric, at 1-800-BIG-E-LAW. We're here to help you get your life back in order. We're here to help you get the most compensation and fair and just compensation possible. If you'd like, to the right of this screen is a free case evaluation form. You can fill it out and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Below that is a general accident injury guide. It's downloadable. You can go down there and order it right now. But the best way to get a hold of us, to talk about what happened to you or your family, and to get you the fair, just, and most compensation that the law allows so you can get your lives back in order, is to call me, Eric, right now at 1-800-BIG-E-LAW. Thanks for visiting the website.